MetaSmart Glasses Charging Port Loose or Broken Repair Guide. Welcome! This quick guide shows how to diagnose and fix a loose or broken charging port on your MetaSmart glasses. Always power off the device before starting. Inspect the charging port for dirt or damage. Try a different cable and charger. If the port wiggles or doesn't hold the cable firmly, it's likely loose or broken. Get small screwdrivers, tweezers, or pry tool, and good lighting. Work on a flat surface and use an anti-static wrist strap if available. Remove the screws and gently open the temple arm. Use a plastic pry tool and avoid pulling on cables. Keep all screws and pieces in order. If the port is loose, reseat or tighten it. Clean debris with isopropyl alcohol, and if damaged, replace the port carefully or take it to a repair technician.